Hello everyone, this is Akash. Today I am coming with a new video. Today I will show you how to make a logo with a golden ratio. It's the first class of golden ratio. In this process, I will come with every day with a new logo design using golden ratio. In this process, there will be 15 tutorial by using golden ratio. So thank you so much and keep watching the video. Last class I show you how to make a golden ratio. So first make a golden ratio by using that process. The process is almost complete. Now I will put circle in the square, the middle of the square. For every square there will be a single round or circle. Middle alignment with the first square. Now copy and second square. 200 into 200. Now 300 into 300. Then 500 into 500. It's done. Then 500 into 500. As if it is the first class, for that cause it will be a simple logo. Because of you can do it easily and learn it easily. Select all and middle alignment. Ctrl Z. Now down alignment. Take line tool or stop. I take line tool and middle alignment. Every circle head there will be a line alignment. By the line tool I draw this, and middle line I copy. Shape builder tool and make shape. For shape builder tool there are a tutorial. If you don't know about the shape builder tool, you can see the tutorial from the playlist. Now select the shape and cut that. Before that I color the three shape, the three different color. You can choose any color. I make this video for you can easily learn how to use golden ratio. It's a simple logo design, so don't worry. Just follow the step. Now curve all the shape. The logo is almost done. By using their process, your hand and brain will be comfortable for using the golden ratio. In the second logo design tutorial, there will be a little bit more critical logo. In that tutorial, I will explain more about the golden ratio. So designers, get ready for the design. Thank you so much. See you soon.